Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, to get started you will need to grab a cable that you plug into your computer. You can connect it. You can completely disregard this pop-up right here. And next we're going to need to turn off our device. Now there's two things that you can utilize this method for. You can get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. And obviously this will clear all the data. And you can achieve this if you don't know your screen lock by holding power button and volume down, which will forcibly reboot the device. If you know your screen lock, you can just swipe down, select the power button and power off. But for the people that don't know their screen lock, let's see, do I have one? Yes, I do. So I'm going to start holding power button and volume down. This will pop up with this little menu. I'm going to just get rid of this. And I'm going to interact with the display because the moment it goes like this, black, you want to switch to volume up from volume down. And when you see the Galaxy, you can let go of the power button. And this will then redirect us to the recovery mode. Also, we can get rid of a cable. It was only needed to get us into this mode. So from here, using your volume buttons, you want to navigate down to Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and confirm it with that power button. Select Factory Data Reset and confirm that. At the bottom, you will see Data Wipe Complete, and Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press power button once again. This will initiate a reboot and continue the reset of the device in the background. Now this reset will take about a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.